Welcome to the LABplus Resource Centre at the University of Plymouth. In this video, I'll talk you through how to use our digital catalogue and booking system. If you're planning to visit LABplus, it is now essential that you book your workstation, resources and equipment in advance of your visit. To access the booking system, go to the LABplus webpage and select the Book Your Visit page. There is a link to the booking system from here. You may be prompted at this point to log in using your standard university login details. Once you've accessed the system, you'll have three options: to browse the catalogue, book your workstation resources and equipment, and to view or cancel your existing bookings. Let's start with browsing the catalogue. Here you'll find a list of all resources and equipment housed within the LABplus facility, appearing in alphabetical order. You'll notice that all items have photographs, further information and their cupboard locations. If you're unsure what items you intend to use in LABplus, I strongly recommend that you browse the catalogue before proceeding to book. To narrow your search, you can use the search bar to look up a specific item. You can also browse resources by subject area by clicking on LABplus under Categories and selecting the subject of your choice. You can check the availability of these items during the day and time you intend to book using the Check Availability options on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the day and time you intend to book and then check availability. Items that are not available during your selected date and time will appear in red. Now that you know what items you'd like to use in LABplus and you've checked their availability, you can proceed to book workstations, resources and equipment. Select the Load Workstations tab on the left-hand side of the screen, and this will load up all of the workstations available within the LABplus facility. If you'd like to view a workstation in advance of booking, click the Info icon and you'll be able to see a picture of that workstation. Times that are not available for booking have been greyed out, and you can now browse the times that you'd like to visit the facility. Times that have already been booked by other users will appear as blocked out, so select the time you would like to come in and the workstation of your choice, and select Book Selected. At this point, you'll need to add the resources and equipment that you intend to use to your booking. You can search items or you can search by subject area. Select the resources that you intend to use and they will be added to your booking on the left hand of the screen. There's also the option for you to add booking notes at this point. Please add booking notes if you're intending to bring in your own specimens. This is so that we know what you're bringing in for health and safety reasons. Agree to the terms and conditions and select Book. Your bookings should now appear as requested, and a member of technical staff will check the booking and confirm it as soon as possible. You can book workstations for as long as you need, however bookings cannot roll on to multiple days. If there are any problems with your requested booking, a technician will contact you to change or cancel your booking. To view your bookings, go to My Bookings, and all of your requested or confirmed bookings will appear. To cancel a booking, select the Cancel icon and either give a reason for cancelling or just click Finish. If you're no longer able to make your scheduled time slot, please cancel your booking to free up the space and resources for other students. If you need to change your booking time, please cancel your existing bookings first and make a new booking. On arrival to LABplus, you'll need to collect the resources and equipment you've booked from the cupboards. They will not be set up on the workstation for you. Please also return all items to the cupboards at the end of your session. If you have any questions or are having trouble with our booking system, please contact us on labplus@plymouth.ac.uk.